Students, we're going to do a sample problem, learning how to convert from one speed to another. It says the average ski gondola travels at a speed of 12.5, that's meters per second. Convert this speed to kilometers per hour. So you start with what you have. What you have is 12.5 meters for every 1 second. And we want to go into ultimately kilometers per hour. So you ask yourself what you want to get into here. And we want to get kilometers, which means we have to write down for every 1 kilometer, your conversion rate is 1,000 meters. So we have our kilometers here. We also need to talk about hours. So we need to get into hours. So we're going to times this 1 second. I have to do a double conversion. Excuse me, not 1 second, 60 seconds, of course. 60 seconds for every 1 minute. And then we're going to times 60 minutes for every 1 hour. Now, look at your units. Okay, the meters cancel. Meters, you've accounted for that. Seconds, minutes, and you ask yourself what's left, and you have hours and kilometers. So you know your conversion is kilometers per hour. Now you can just deal with just the numbers here. And our numbers are now 12.5 times 60 times 60 again over 1,000. So 12 times 60 times 60 again, divided by 1,000. So the gondola in this case is actually traveling at a pretty quick speed of 45 kilometers per hour. 45 kilometers per hour, which is roughly about 30 miles per hour, which you're a little bit more familiar with. Now, what you're going to do is take the speed from this prior page that you should have calculated at 1.56 meters per second. And you're going to convert 1.56 meters per second. You're going to follow the exact same process, starting with meters per second, going into kilometers per hour, and calculate how fast in kilometers per hour is the Montmartre funicular railway traveling.